Welcome to my study channel. Friends, our today's topic is chemistry in everyday life. This is our 13th video on the topic science MCQs. So friends, without wasting time, let's start. Question number 1 is why cannot hard water be used in boilers? Here answer is hard water causes scales in boilers. Why can not hard water be used in boilers? Here answer is hard water causes scales in boilers. Question number 2 is soap is sodium or potassium salt of dash. Soap is sodium or potassium salt of dash. Here answer is stearic acid. Soap is sodium or potassium salt of stearic acid. Stearic acid is the right answer. Next question is one of the occupational health hazards commonly faced by the workers of ceramic, pottery, of glass industries is dash. Here answer is silicosis. Next question is the hair dye available in the market contains two bottles, one containing dye and the other containing hydrogen peroxide. The bottles are mixed before applying the dye. The function of the hydrogen peroxide is, here answer is to oxidize the dye to give desired color. The function of the hydrogen peroxide is to oxidize the dye to give desired color. Next question is pherone used as refrigerants is chemically known as. Pherone used as refrigerants is chemically known as, उसको chemically क्या बोलते हैं, कलर क्लोरोफ्लोरोहाइड्रोकार्बन बोलते हैं उसको. Pherone used as refrigerants is chemically known as chlorofluorohydrocarbon. Next question is which chemical was an important symbol in our struggle for freedom? Which chemical was an important symbol in our struggle for freedom? Here answer is sodium chloride. Next question is, this question is important friends, which chemical was an important symbol in our struggle for freedom? Here answer is sodium chloride. Next question is soaps cannot be used in acidic conditions because they lose their cleansing effect due to formation of insoluble dash. Soaps cannot be used in acidic conditions because they lose their cleansing effect due to formation of insoluble dash. Here answer is long chain fatty acids. Affected due to formation of insoluble long chain fatty acids is the right answer. Next question is arsenic drugs are mainly used in the treatment of dash. Arsenic drugs are mainly used in the treatment of syphilis. Arsenic drugs are mainly used in the treatment of syphilis. So syphilis is the right answer. Next question is gun cotton is used as a propellant or low order explosive. Gun cotton is used as a propellant or low order explosive. Chemically the gun cotton is dash. Here answer is cellulose nitrate. Chemically the gun cotton is cellulose nitrate. Cellulose nitrate is the right answer. Next question is many communities put salt on roads after a snowfall. Why? Here answer is to keep the melted snow refreezing. Many communities put salt on roads after a snowfall. Why? Here answer is to keep the melted snow refreezing. Most important question. Next question is antacids are commonly used to get rid of acidity in the stomach. Here common used antacid is, answer is magnesium hydroxide. Antacids are commonly used to get rid of acidity in the stomach. Here a common used antacid is magnesium hydroxide is the right answer. Next question is heavy water is not used for drinking because dash it physiological actions. Its physiological action is different from ordinary water. Heavy water is not used for drinking because its physiological action is different from ordinary water. Next question is quality diesel is measured in terms of its dash. Here answer is cetane number. Quality diesel is measured in terms of its cetane number. Cetane number is the right answer. Next question is graphite can be used as lubricant because it has dash. Here answer is layered structure. Graphite can be used as lubricant because it has layered structure. Next question is what is the purpose of adding plasticizers in paint manufacturing process? Important question. What is the purpose of adding plasticizers in paint manufacturing process? Here answer is they provide elasticity to the film and minimize its cracking. This type of questions are being asked in the exams. So this question is also important. So here, what is the purpose of adding plasticizers in paint manufacturing process? Here answer is they provide elasticity to the film and minimize its cracking. Next question is which of the following type of glass can cut off ultraviolet rays? Which of the following type of glass can cut off ultraviolet rays? Here A option is soda glass, B is Pyrex glass, C is Jena glass, and D is crooked glass. Here option D is the right answer, that is crooked glass. Crooked glass type of glass can cut off ultraviolet rays. Crooked glass. Friends, remember this option. Crooked glass is the right answer. Next question is the chemical used as a fixer in photography is. This question is most important. The chemical used as a fixer in photography is. Answer is sodium thiosulfate. Sodium thiosulfate is the right answer. The chemical used as a fixer. यहाँ पे fixer आपको मिल गया. In photography is sodium thiosulfate. Next question is what is the main constituent of a pearl? What is the main constituent of pearl? Here answer is calcium carbonate only. Calcium carbonate only is the main constituent of a pearl. Next question is sodium थियोसल्फेट जिसका जो केमिकल फार्मूला होता है वो क्या होता है Na2S2O3. Na2S2O3 solution is used in photography too. Here answer is removed under undecomposed AgBr as a soluble silver thiosulfate complex. क्या करता है सोडियम थियोसल्फेट solution is used in photography to removed undecomposed AgBr as a soluble silver thiosulfate complex. Here question number 18 is in the cold countries ethylene glycol is added to the water in the रेडिएटर्स ऑफ द कार्स ड्यूरिंग विंटर टू. क्यों डालते हैं रेडिएटर? जो कार का रेडिएटर होता है उसमें कौन सा यहाँ इथेलीन ग्लाइकोल क्यों डालते हैं? हियर आंसर इज लोअर द फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द वाटर. ताकि पानी जो है वो जम ना जाए, उसको जमने से रोकने के लिए उसमें ये डालते हैं. सो दिस इज the right answer, lower the freezing point of the water. Next question is which one of the following has the highest fuel value? Here answer is hydrogen. Hydrogen has the highest fuel value. Next question is an ideal fuel should have dash. Here answer is all of the above. क्या क्या होता है उसमें? High calorific value, low ignition value होती है, उसके बाद में regulated and control होता है. So all of the above is the right answer. Next question is the method that cannot used for removing permanent hardness of water is. Here answer is boiling. The method that cannot used for removing permanent hardness of water is. Answer is boiling. The method that cannot used for removing permanent hardness of water is boiling. Next question is heavy water dash. Here answer is contains deuterium in place of hydrogen. Heavy water contains deuterium in place of hydrogen. Next question is question number 23. Colored glasses for goggles contain. क्या होता है उसमें? Here answer is lanthanide oxide. Lanthanide oxide होता है उसमें. Colored glasses for goggles contain lanthanide oxide. Next question is which of the following statement is not true for soap? Soap are biodegradable gradable. Next is soap cannot be used in acidic medium. Next is soaps form a white curdy precipitated with hard water. Here option D is the right answer, that soaps are relatively stronger in the cleaning action than synthetic detergents. Soaps are relatively stronger in the cleaning action than synthetic detergents. Next question is refrigeration helps in food preservation by dash. Here answer is reduce the rate of biochemical reactions. Next question is indane gas is a mixture of. Important question. Here answer is butane and propane. Indane gas is a mixture of butane and propane. Next question is dry ice is dash. Here answer is frozen carbon dioxide. Dry ice is frozen carbon dioxide. This type of questions are asked in the exams. ये जो है कॉमन सेंस के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. ड्राई आइस इज डैश, आंसर इज फ्रोजन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज recently oil japper was in the news. What is it? Recently oil japper was in the news. What is it? Here answer it is an eco-friendly technology for the remediation of oily sludge and oil spills. It is an eco-friendly technology. आप याद रखना फ्रेंड्स, उस ऑप्शन के ऊपर आपने जो है राइट टिक कर देना है, क्लिक कर देना है. ठीक है, माउस को वहां पे ले आके क्लिक कर देना है. दैट इज द राइट आंसर. इट इज एन इको फ्रेंडली टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर द रेमिडिएशन ऑफ ऑयली sludge and oil spills. Next question is electricity charged particles from space traveling at speeds several hundred kilometers per second can severely harm living beings if they reach the surface of the earth. What prevents them from reaching the surface of the earth? Here answer is the earth's magnetic field diverts them towards its poles. उसको वो जो क्या करता है, मोड़ देता है, डाइवर्ट कर देता है towards its poles. So earth's magnetic field जो है वो क्या करता है, उनको आने से रोकता है. So this is the right answer. Next question is which one of the following is used in making lead pencils? Here answer is graphite. Friends, it is also important question. Graphite is used in making lead pencils. Next question is in Egypt ancient mummies can be found to have their arteries intact due to well preserved dash. Here answer is fibroblastus fiber. Fibroblastus fiber is the right answer. Next question is inactive nitrogen and argon gases are usually used in electric bulbs in order to dash. Inactive nitrogen and argon gases are usually used in electric bulbs in order to dash. Here answer is increase the life of the filament. फिलामेंट की जो लाइफ है उसको बढ़ाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन So friends, today we have completed 32 most important questions. Thanks for watching this video. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाला हर वीडियो सबसे पहले आपके पास पहुंच जाए. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ आप मेरे वीडियो को लाइक भी कर सकते हैं. अगर अच्छा नहीं लगा है तो आप अनलाइक भी कर सकते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. Thanks. Bye bye.